Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to show you an extra income app where you can earn money just to install other apps or play some games. Before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your like here. This helps me a lot to bring more content like this to you. So let's start the video. Let's open the Play Store and install this Giraffe app. The name you will search for is exactly the name that appears in this app. The app is known worldwide within the area of applications that pay you to do tasks. The filter, we can see that the application contains more than 300,000 reviews. This means that many people have already installed it and have already made money with it. Click to install and wait for the installation. In my case, I already have it installed, so I'll open the application. As soon as we open the application, we have two buttons, one for earning money with applications and the other for earning money by playing. So these are basically easy tasks to install applications or create accounts on specific sites. As you can see, we have a score in the balance, and it is this score that we will exchange for money when withdrawing, and precisely when doing tasks such as installing applications or games. You earn a certain amount of points depending on the difficulty of the task and the time it takes you to complete it. Let's click on the option to make money with apps and see how it works. We can see that there are several options and applications to install and earn credits, and the more credits the prize, the more difficult and time-consuming the task, so I suggest you start by easier tasks. To make your first withdrawal quickly, choose a task that gives you few credits. These are the easiest and quickest, and there are many application tasks for you to perform here. So what sets this app apart is the variety of options you have to earn money by doing tasks. Now let's test the games. Let's see which games appear for us. As you can see, there is a huge variety of games that you can install to earn money, and it works the same way. The more credits the prize, the more difficult and time-consuming the task. Most games ask you to reach a certain level or make a certain score to reach the goal and win the reward. We can see that I found this application, and it seems to be easy to complete because it pays a slightly smaller amount of credits. It is just a coloring application. You will just color some drawings and reach a certain level to be able to withdraw your reward. If you want to install it, click on the button where you have the number of points you will earn. Since my cell phone is a Xiaomi, it is choosing for me to install it through the Xiaomi store, but if you want to download it through the Play Store, you can click where it says in a small text, which says download from Play Store. Now, just download the game and start playing. Every task you do in the application, never forget to read the description so you know which level you have to reach and the score you have what to do. As we see in the description, you earn points through the drawings you paint, so with each drawing you paint, you earn a little more points here in this application. We can also see that there are a ton of games for you to perform tasks and earn your reward. This is great for making extra income when you have some free time and just play games for free to make money. Let's go back to the application's home screen and see how payments work. If we click on the folder below, we will have access to all the applications that we have already installed, and if we click on the button from the middle at the bottom of the screen, we can see the payment settings, and they are asking for a minimum amount for withdrawal, and we can already see that the minimum amount is €6 in PayPal. In addition to PayPal, we also have other payment methods, such as online stores, subscription discounts and much more. So it's basically about collecting credits and then exchanging them for money on PayPal. It's very easy and simple to use. If you have any questions, you can comment here and I'll answer you. Thank you very much for your access. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Until next time.